Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's discuss how to increase followers on X. So, if you want to increase your followers on X, I have 3 core principles for you that you should know, and they might help you to increase your followers. So, first of all, let's start with your profile. Your profile basically should be optimized. What I mean is that you have to use clear profile picture and also write bio that will clearly tell people who are you, what do you do, and basically what value do you provide. So in your bio section, you have to say it clearly so that visitors, when someone opens your X account, they know exactly what they're getting on your profile. Additionally, if you want, you can pin your best tweet on X right at the top so that it was at the top. Sorry, so you have to tap 3-dot button next to the post, next to the tweet that you want to pin, select option pin to your profile, and confirm by tapping pin button. Yes, it's additionally, but still you can do that. Second is focusing on quality content. You need to give people a reason to hit that follow button on your profile, and instead of posting random thoughts, you have to share original tips, unique insights, or helpful and interesting story that will teach people something. Of course, do not forget to use images, pictures, and videos because they simply grab attention way better than just plain text on your profile. And last but not least is engaging. Because on X, the fastest way to get seen is not by posting your own stuff, but by replying to others. So for this one, you should find big accounts in your niche. And when they post something, you have to go to comment section and leave a reply. Your reply should be interesting, should give some insights. Basically, you have to add your own perspective and your own point of view so that when someone sees your reply, they might think, oh, this thought is very interesting, let me go to their profile. And they go to your profile, they find your content interesting, and they might follow your X account. So yeah, if you stick to those 3 steps, profile, quality content, and engagement, your follower count will definitely start moving. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.